Hello, Bua. Volume thoda kam kar dena. So tonight we have two special guests. One at 8:30, and then one we have at 9:30. So tonight, see, the music I'm also playing is from Payal Ghosh's movie. Payal Ghosh, the superstar. Hi, Bua. So good to see you. And we have so many people sending us requests. Somebody is asking me cute and hot dono kaise hi pata nahi. So you must wait. Actually, who's the hotter one is coming is Payal Ghosh, and she is amazingly talented lady, such a down to earth person. She's done amazing work, and you know, Patel ki Punjabi Shadi, it was good. And very interesting because of course she interacted with the late Rishi Kapoor Saab, and then she had the honor to work with the late Rishi Kapoor Saab and then Paresh Rawal ji. So we're going to discuss all of that. And there are many people who have started joining. Hello, says just some guy here. Then there are others. Somebody is asking me, hi darling, where are you? Oh, I'm very much here in Delhi under the lockdown. And we're just waiting for Payal. She said she'll join as soon as I start the live video. Thank you so much. Did you guys enjoy? Kal ka video enjoy kaya? Payal our live. I'm sure Payal is amazing. Hi Neha. She says how are you? Good to see you. So we are waiting for Payal, the person, to join. And let us see. Does somebody know how to lower the comments, because सामने वाले इंसान का फिर दिखता नहीं है मुझे, आता जाता है क्या है. I'm good, and I'm hoping you're enjoying, because coming week we have you looking beautiful, says Neha. Thank you so much. Rishabh Gandhi, hi beautiful ma'am. How are you? Thank you. I'm very good, and I hope you all are following the lockdown. And it's so good to connect with all of you sitting from home, and it's brilliant. And you know, the music needs to be restarted. The one that was yesterday live was amazing with Neha. Loved it, says Neha Uja. Yes, it was very amazing. And so was the day before. Gaurav was also very good. And we are just hoping Payal joins soon. Okay, I guess only few people are important. Have a nice time. No, I did not say that. Whoever it is, I am of course going to have a nice time, and I hope you also have a nice time. Somebody said you have nice aura. Thank you so much. Very kind of you. So Payal Ghosh is now anytime soon. Hi Payal. You have the whole world waiting for you. So we're waiting for the connection. Restart the music. Payal is about to join. And Payal, we are waiting to see you. If you could just put the camera. Oh my God, there we have. And switch the camera up so we see you. My God, look at her. Such a stunner. Payal, you are
Hi.
so beautiful. And
Thank
I
you.
must
You too.
thank you. And it's such an honor to have you over. You know,
My
and I'm playing
pleasure.
this song, Mere Mehendi Wala, from Patel ki Punjabi Shadi.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you
You
looked
liked it?
absolutely. Yeah, I loved it. I loved it. In fact, it's also on Netflix and Amazon, so we watched it, the whole
Yeah.
family. But and this was a dream to have you over. You know, the moment I got to know,
So
and
sweet
I
of
must tell
you.
you, just stop the music now. We have this Bengali connection is because I am also married to a Bengali, so
Oh,
I can speak Bangla very well. Kemon acho?
আমি ভালো আছি তুমি কেমন আছো
This is the difference. So sweetly you said, I am hello. So, Payal, your audience has gone bonkers on Twitter. I see, oh my God, people are crazy about you. They want to know more about you. And so on Instagram. At the moment, we have over 500 people live with us. Last night it showed 500, but last night's live was 2,700 at the moment. So it was brilliant. And you have an audience dedicated that says hi. So I would request you to move a little this because the comments are coming on your face. So once I
yeah
record
okay
this, so it will just, distort you move
um,
a little, yeah. That.
I think
So
this is
Payal,
fine right
yeah. So how's the lockdown like going around? Are you in Mumbai these days during the lockdown, or
yeah
are you in
yeah I'm in
Kolkata?
Mumbai and like because of the lockdown my mates cannot come in, the society is not allowing any mates from outside. So,
Yeah.
so I have to do. everything at home, all household
The,
works.
do you
And
also have the bartan dhone wala video?
exactly.
Are you doing that? Oh my god. Oh my
Everything I'm
god.
doing. And like
Mhm.
I never ever imagined my life like this because I've never ever done these things.
हाँ
And
मैं
you know,
सोच
like
सकती
since the time I'm here in Mumbai, I have a maid. She always been with me from the beginning.
हूँ. हाँ,
But this
okay.
time they cannot come also because even if
I
she wants
know.
to come, she cannot come. And I'm
I
stuck,
know.
and it's been so long. Yeah, it's going on, going on.
I can imagine और also ये एक तरीके का workout भी हो जाता है. So some Rakshit guy says you're looking like an angel. So I'm also going to read comments there because people are there and they're very right. You do have that angelic aura. I also went through your Instagram, Payal, and I saw you were very deeply touched by Chintu uncle's demise, and it was very sad
Yes,
for
it's very,
because
till now I cannot believe that he is no more. Even in the evening, I was thinking that I cannot believe like he is no more means that man is no more. I cannot even believe. And you know, last 20 days, even the from the time the lockdown started, I couldn't even
yeah.
talk to him. I was so busy in my household work and stuff. But so many times I felt like I should talk to him. I should talk to him. But I
Yeah.
couldn't manage to. And when I got that news at night, the day before he expired, I got totally bonko. I messaged him immediately. So what I have heard some like I've heard something about uh, you about your health. I hope everything is fine. But there was no answer. I was so damn scared. I couldn't sleep the whole night. Then in around 5 o'clock in the morning, I slept, and then wake up with a news channel. They called me. I said, in the morning, why they are calling me now? I picked up and said, what do you want to say about Rishiji? I said, what means? What do you mean? Like they said, like as he passed away. I said, oh my God, what are you saying? It was, and I couldn't take it immediately. Means I don't know what to do. I was like still, and I said, please give me some time. Call me later. And then I gone through these social media things, and I was feeling so upset, so bad. Last time you talked was on Holi, and
Yeah.
after that, I somehow I didn't talk to him, and I'm feeling so bad about everything, and I still cannot believe that he is not there. Means I really don't know. Means even we had a talk last time on my birthday, and then I said, so let's do a party today for my birthday. Like he said, not this time, next year we will do, and I will. He is no more. I mean, I'm feeling so bad. I cannot
Very
tell you.
tragic. You know, Chintu uncle and I have a very Khandani memories because his parents, his mother's side of the family, Krishna Benji, and my maternal side of the family migrated together from Pakistan those days.
Okay.
So my Nanaji used to be his doctor. So my mother's literally grown up playing with them. And
Okay.
Irfan, of course, is very close to us because he being theatre guy, I being with Ajtak. So I've met him so many times at the studio. So this was very, very
Very bad.
depressing. And
The 2 days means I don't know. Like even if the Irfan thing is also like Irfan's are like he was been admitted here only nearby my house only, and after next day when I'm reading the message, he passes away. That is something I couldn't take. And from then that day evening onwards, I started missing Rishi sir like anything. I don't know why. I was telling my neighbor ki, I don't know, I'm missing him. He's not keeping well. I must talk to him tomorrow. Pakka, I'll talk to him. And
so,
at the night, I got the news, and next day, so didn't come only.
yeah, that's when actually, Payal, I realized that life is slipping away, whether it is Corona or something else. Life is
Yeah,
very, very fragile. So tell me something. Now that we've spoken about so many things and that are very heavy to the heart, how
right.
has your journey been? आप कलकत्ता से कैसे आपने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी तमिल मूवीज करी मेरे को तमिल मूवीज बहुत पसंद है अच्छा मैं देखती पूरा हूँ तेलुगु भी देखती हूँ तमिल भी देखती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज जो मैंने सीखी थी तमिल थी आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड मैं
Okay,
बोल नहीं सकती पर आपके
okay.
लिए तो बहुत बड़ा ट्रांजिशन होगा कि उसे जो है एक में मैंने पढ़ा था कि you acted but the voice was somebody else's and that was a
Yeah,
major challenge and acting was par excellence and that is why it was chosen also selected also
yes.
but
For
कई
state
बार होता है
award.
ना कि कि एक लास्ट मिनट का ग्लिच, वो लास्ट मिनट का जो गड़बड़ हो जाता है, वो कई बार हमारे हर किसी के जीवन में कहीं ना कहीं एक सेटबैक देता है, झटका देता है।
राइट।
लेकिन आप कैसे आई फिल्मों में? आपने क्या मॉडलिंग करी पहले या क्या, कैसे? यू मस्ट हैव बीन
नहीं,
सो
मैं यहाँ
ब्यूटीफुल।
पे एक्चुअली व्हेन आई वाज 17 years old, नॉट इवन 17, बिकॉज मेरा 12th का एग्जाम हो गया था एंड आई
अच्छा
हैड दिस 2-3 months का जो गैप रहता है ना, बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ज्वाइन कॉलेज। तो वो जो
अच्छा
गैप होता है, वो गैप में ना आई लाइक thought like if I stay back here, pakka my dad is going to get me married, because in my family at by the age of 18 mostly girls get
I got
married and
married
then
at
they
18.
complete and then they get like they do their things in their sasural. This is the norm that my cousins have also followed. So I thought I'm not gonna do that. I'm not want to be a housewife. I have to do something by myself. And I, in school and college, I've been so much like in school. So like guys used to be crazy about me, and they used to
I'm
like
so sure.
and they used to send me like cards and all on Valentine's Day. I used to get 1600, sorry, 600, 700 cards. So,
Imagine you had a separate bag for cards. You could carry chains of
yes, I used to get
cards. Oh
gifts
my
also.
God.
I literally used to give it to the poor because my dad never allowed those gifts.
Give the gift to the poor. Are you guys listening? Then you knew that you were beautiful. You knew that people loved you. तो फिर आपने
Yeah, I
कैसे
knew that
decide?
somehow, I don't know, like people love me, and because of
हाँ.
them, I didn't have my childhood, to be honest. They used to
Oh.
like at night, even at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they used to call us. Means there was all bank calls they used to give. They used to stand in front of my house. So I only used to get down from my house, get into the car to the school, again get into the car back. And there is a Jain temple, and I have been brought up in my nanny's house. तो नानीज
अच्छा.
हाउस में ना एक विंडो है, विंडो से पूरा वो टेम्पल देखते हैं, जैन टेम्पल, इट्स परेशनाथ टेम्पल, इज वेरी फेमस
हाँ.
टेम्पल.
कहाँ पे? कलकत्ता में?
इट्स इन कैलकाटा, या नॉट
अच्छा.
कैलकाटा. परेशनाथ जैन टेम्पल इज वेरी फेमस. तो
हाँ.
वहां पे एक पॉन्ड है, पॉन्ड के सामने बहुत एक बड़ा लाइक बिग मतलब बैल्कनी टाइप्स है. वहां पे रोज आज मतलब 80-100 लड़के आके खड़े रहते थे कि कब मैं खिड़की के सामने आऊंगी एंड दे विल सी मी.
Oh my God.
So I was not allowed to go to play badminton, anything. मतलब मुझे सिर्फ हम लोग टेरेस पे जाके सिर्फ खेलते थे. मेरे कजन टेरेस पे ही चल, क्योंकि दे वोंट अलाउ.
तो मतलब लॉकडाउन कोई नया नहीं है, लॉकडाउन की आदत है आपको.
हाँ, आदत पहले थी, लेकिन बॉम्बे आने के बाद फिर नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था.
तो बॉम्बे 17 की एज में आई और आने के बाद आपने क्या किया?
मैं नमित सर के एक्टिंग क्लास ज्वाइन किया. विद इन 6 to 7 days टू दैट सर के वहाँ पे बीबीसी टेली फीचर फिल्म बना रहे थे. तो बीबीसी ग्रुप वो लोग आए थे, जो प्रोडक्शन वाले, प्रोड्यूसर एंड डायरेक्टर, एवरीबडी. So they saw me and they said like we want to cast her with Sean Bean. जबकि मेरा बहुत मतलब it was a small role, it wasn't any big role, but I was so happy that it's Sean Bean, and I've seen Sean Bean in James Bond and all, and
I mean, it's a big thing.
yeah. So I said, yeah, I'll do. I was so happy. And then I said yes. Then after 2 days to that, they have finalized me. After 2 days to that, that must be 8th day or 9th day of my being in. Means after I started my classes in Namitsar, one friend of mine from the acting school, she was elder to me. She was quite elder. She was at 25, 26 that time. So she was going for audition. I said, please मुझे भी लेके चलो, मुझे भी देखना है कैसे audition होता है. बोला आजा मेरे साथ. audition देने गई, और फिर director he saw me and he said like why not her, please come once. Then why you not giving audition? I said I'm not doing any film. Means मैं तो अभी only I'm like I'm in school and अभी तो उसके बाद तो मैं सिर्फ acting classes में हूँ, लेकिन अभी मुझे film नहीं करनी है. They said like they have taken my profile and all. Then the coordinator was there, तो उनको बोला कि we will take that girl only. Then the coordinator called me. So he took my number and he called me like they liked you a lot and they want to take you in the film. I said, no, I don't know nothing about South Indian film industry. That film it was I know nothing. I knew Chiranjeevi sir, Nagarjuna sir, Rajnikant sir. Apart from that, I knew nothing about that industry. And that Kamal Hassan sir, that's because they have worked in Hindi film,
Now I
in
know
Hindi
Allah.
films. Yeah. So I said, okay. I said no initially. After 3 months again, and by that time I was completing my classes in Namit sir. Then they called again, and then they said like, no, we want that girl. We have seen many girls in Bombay, Kerala, everywhere, but she perfectly suits the
Wow.
character.
This is
Then,
brilliant.
then they convinced me. I said like, ठीक है कर लेते हैं. Then to my dad. My dad was dead against this. Like he never wanted me to be into acting and all. Because they're Calcutta. Like this North Calcutta and those traditional families. They are very conservative. Means हमारे घर में sleeveless भी allow नहीं है. And मेरे पापा मेरे film में and I like मेरे पापा तो ऑलमोस्ट मुझे बुरखा में ही रखे थे. ऐसा मतलब लाइक ये नहीं पहन सकते, वो नहीं पहन सकते, सलवार कमीज पहनना पड़ेगा. ही वाज लाइक दैट. तो वहां से आके फिर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इज अ डील.
तो मजा आ
तो
गया.
पापा तो didn't talk to me for long, and after that when this film happened, so he said, then they convinced कि आपके घर से कोई भी आए चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं, हम लोग वैसा नहीं है, अब टेंशन मत लो. तो मैंने बुआ को बोला, प्लीज पापा को बोला, ये एक ही करूंगी, उसके बाद कभी नहीं करूंगी, एक ही फिल्म करूंगी. एंड दैट्स हाउ लाइक ही वाज कन्विंस्ड. तो फिर ही टोल्ड मी कि एक ही, हाँ प्लीज. Then the film turned out to be it, and people loved the film like anything.
I'm
बाद में
sure.
there was a guy like who worked with me in a Tamil film, and this was a Telugu film. And that guy, he told me, like Bangalore के engineering college में सबके रूम में तुम्हारा पोस्टर लगा रहता था.
सोचो. Almost 1,500 boys outside the house. You reached the world.
So all this used to happen, and like so it started very well. Not that बहुत मुझे कुछ audition. Just I have seen my friends. I am here for so long, but still they could not manage to get films. I really feel bad about them. बहुत ही बुरा लगता है. लेकिन it's like with hard work you need to have little of your luck. नहीं तो बहुत difficult है ये.
डेस्टिनी पायल, आपको पता है मैं टैरो कार्ड रीडर, एस्ट्रोलॉजर, ये सब भी हूँ, और मेरे टीवी शोज भी आते हैं इसके बारे में. और आपने टॉपिक छेड़ दिया है डेस्टिनी का. मैं पूछना ही चाहती थी कि आप किस्मत पे, लक पे कितना % बिलीव करते हैं?
मैं बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ, बहुत ज्यादा. क्योंकि मेरे लाइफ में सब मिरेकल ही हुआ है. मींस इवन पटेल की पंजाबी शादी आल्सो गेटिंग लॉन्च विद सच वेटरन्स लाइक ऋषि कपूर सर, परेश रावल सर, and with that. Yeah, he has like he's a like international figure right now. He's doing so well even abroad.
Series, I think Hasmukh was excellent. So
yeah.
बढ़िया. So ये तो मतलब सब established people, and then there is Payal Ghosh, who's the beauty of the, and the picture is the Patel wedding. Is Payal ki wedding,
Yeah, exactly. It's all about my wedding, like कैसे होता है, like so Patel की पंजाबी शादी. So the things happens even this film, like first they said like they have seen my Telugu movies, and they said she is very like, we want girl who looks very innocent. So they have auditioned many known actors also, and so many actors like now they are working nice. So they were been shortlisted, but after they saw me and like I have given the audition and look test, then they finalized me, and then I did the movie. And literally means they called me and asked me to come to meet them, not that I went to them and say कि मुझे मैं audition में हूँ और मतलब काम करना चाहती हूँ.
नहीं तो मैंने सुना है बॉम्बे में लोग 10-10, 20-20 साल एक रोल के लिए तड़पते हैं, और पूरा यंग एज चला जाता है, तब जाके मिडिल एज का कोई एक रोल मिलता है. इट इज नॉट इजी.
It's not at all easy. It's very. I'm seeing my friends, like दिन में कम से कम 5-7 auditions देते हैं every day, standing in the queue for so long, and still they could not manage to bag a role. कभी छोटा मोटा सीरियल का छोटा मोटा रोल मिल गया तो मैक्स टू मैक्स है. मैं I always tell I'm a blessed child. I'm
You are.
really a blessed child.
वो तो है, वो फेस पे भी दिख जाता है, वो ऑरा भी है. You're a nice person. मतलब मैंने तो काफी लोगों से इंटरेक्ट किया, but people you must know that you know she's one of the nicest people. इतने इजीली बात करने वाला, इतना कंफर्टेबल, इतना बड़ा स्टार, मतलब इतनी मूवीज सुपर हिट, and she is so nice and so humble. And we have a lot of people writing for us also. तो मैं ये
Okay.
कमेंट्स पता नहीं ऊपर आ जा रहे हैं नीचे आ जा रहे हैं, इनको कैसे कम ज्यादा करना है. I am also learning the Instagram way. तो कोई पूछ रहा है कि given a chance आप बॉलीवुड में किसके साथ काम करना चाहेंगी? And
Bollywood.
somebody is written, looking so gorgeous and beautiful, Payal, black is your color.
Oh, thank you. I also
अच्छा ये
love black.
हाँ, आपका favorite color क्या है? Let us begin from here.
Black.
Black? Wow.
Yes.
मेरा white and black, red.
Ah, even white, white and black, white and black.
हाँ, ये
After
अच्छा
that
लगता
comes red, but
है. हाँ,
it's
पहले
better.
white and black. हाँ, वो
If
तो
you
है.
like, one of my friends, she is a designer and also a stylist. She came, और वो like I have two wardrobes filled with clothes. So she was going mad. She just opened and said, she said like, क्या तेरे लिए कौन सा फोटोशूट के लिए चूज करूँ? या तो तेरे पास ब्लैक है या तो व्हाइट है. Nothing no other color. And she was going mad.
Ajay Payal, when we do these sessions and I do my Instagram lives, I do ask some questions. मैं ऐसे ऐसे सवाल पूछती हूँ, जैसे rapid fire type का. मैंने एक word दिया और आपने answer दिया. Your favorite actor?
My all-time favorite actor since my childhood is Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
Oh, how nice. Have you met Shah Rukh Khan?
I have met him and now like even in Filmfare Awards and all that time we keep meeting in the sense hi hello that much, not very close. But
Okay.
I never even it's not difficult even to meet him. But the point is that I wanted that things to happen, you know, naturally. I should
Yeah.
not ask anybody to take me there and I want to meet Shah Rukh. I didn't want that. I have met him once also in during the IPL that final IPL KKR won in Kolkata. Yeah, and so I went there and I was been invited by KKR. So I also lifted the trophy and obviously I'm a supporter of KKR. And
same here.
oh, great.
Yeah.
So you know like so I lifted the trophy and all. So at that time I met him like we talked for 5 minutes and like that. But then after that everybody had to rush because everybody had to catch the flight. So even I had to catch the flight. And after that hi hello इतना ही हुआ है. कभी properly वैसे proper even I don't know if he knows me that even if I exist I don't know.
I don't think that is possible. He would certainly know you. Who can forget somebody as beautiful as you? ऐसा हो नहीं
Oh,
सकता.
that's so sweet.
हाँ. अच्छा, इसके अलावा फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस कौन है आपकी जिनको देखकर आपको मतलब like you admired or you know?
I was again if I like I've been a film buff since my childhood and not only film Bollywood buff. I was crazy about Bollywood. So like I was like say 3 or 4 from that time onwards I'm watching all Hindi movies. So that time Madhuri Dixit was very famous. I used to
Everybody
love
loved Madhuri Dixit और उनके गानों पे डांस तो सबने किया होगा.
Oh, even I want to do dhak dhak. Yeah, I will definitely make sure that I do dhak dhak at least like you know remake in the
Can you
video
do
app,
that?
not in the film. I really want to do her expressions and everything. Not only dance. See, there are many actors who can really dance well, but the kind of expression she used to give, no, that's so amazing. Something beyond words. Like there is no word to describe her expressions, her eyes, her smile, everything. I really loved her. And after that, I liked Karina because she is my actual childhood because. When she started her acting, that time I was in school. So proper, that time I'm growing up, you know, like.
School 10th,
Yeah.
9th, 10th.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Because 2000, I guess.
Yeah, so yeah, I was in 6 or 7 that time. So, you know, like when she got launched and then I started liking her because her, like, especially in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and I find like she was doing that poo thing, and I was absolutely like that. Like, I'm my favorite, I'm the best, and all this. And that I used to do, and my friends like, oh my god, how Karan Johar knew that there is somebody called Payal who also exists with this kind of attitude. Why? Because I used to do all the time that I'm the best. I'm not really this that. हाँ, अच्छा मतलब वही ये कौन है जो मुझे मुड़ के नहीं देखा? Who is he? I was exactly like that.
I also. Oh my god. अच्छा,
So I really used to like Kareena, and then I used to follow also her style statement and everything. Whatever I used to see her wearing, I used to make sure that I make it and wear.
हाँ होता है. I have done that. I have been there कि मतलब वो करीना की ब्लैक ग्लिटर वाली साड़ी तो मैंने कितना पहना है मुझे भी पता है.
And also, Yash uncle, oh, he used to make the kind of like the way he used to present his heroines. So amazing, now simple in a black, only white, only red Georgette, but girls like all the heroines used to look so amazing. I was like his style sense and the way he used to present his heroines was amazing, very amazing. I really wanted to work with him, but I was too young and like he passed away, and that's also when I came new here that time. So, yeah.
Who's that one actor you would like to work with now?
See, I will always would love to work with Shah Rukh Khan. एक तो फिर मुझे करना ही है शाह रुख के साथ. मैं बोलती I want to do a romantic film with Shah Rukh Khan. And after that, there are many other actors. I would love to work with them. There is Salman. There is
this audience. He's saying hello to you. You could say hello to most of the audience if you could read the comments.
Hi everyone. Hi.
And then अच्छा ये बताइए आप पायल कौन सी ऐसी चीज when you think of घर, what is that feeling that comes? घर, home, body. What is that one word that comes to your mind?
It's something like I feel it's a good vibe, and with that kind of aura should be there. Where you get in and you feel a घर है. It should not feel like it's a makan. घर का वो feel आना चाहिए. I do lots of pujas at home because to get the vibes nice. I do lots of pujas. I like that. I really feel good about that. And
we must connect
feel like
pujas after this because I will share with you a lot of things I have to share. Payal ma'am, I'm a big fan, says Mr. D17. Then there was A Divedi 111 who also says hello ma'am, how are you? Then there is Bharat K Joshi. So many people connecting here, and there is this Sunny Kumar. I wish he has some little. I did not ask for your advice, Sunny Kumar. Please go stay at home. Then so there is somebody by the name Prasad Bhatkali says hot madam. So people are like you know that remains with you. That goes without saying. What is your favorite food, Payal? What do you like to eat the most? Like something.
I love biryani a lot.
Yeah.
I really love biryani, but I cannot have it very often. It's because it has lots of
calories. The diets. Yeah. Chicken or mutton biryani? What is your favorite?
Chicken. I don't eat mutton. Chicken.
Okay, chicken biryani. Okay. Tell me something. After the corona is over, what is that one place you would like to go to?
First I want to go around and want to see that, because I'm not going out, and my family, when my brother is here, is not allowing me to go out of the gate also. So once it gets over, I'll make sure I'll go around and see the poors around my society, and like who lives on the footpath and all. So I would like to see that they're fine, and if I can help them in any way, I'll make sure I'll do that. Apart from online things, whatever I can do, I'm doing, but that will be more personal, that if I can do something for them. And then I want to go to a spa and to take massage. I want to do my hair spa.
You all need it badly. I also want to visit my hairstylist, and it's gone bad, but that is there. We all go through this,
Oh God, see my hair. I always do blow dry every 2 days, and now see I'm living with this hair, and then I'm feeling, oh, my hair is not that bad. I don't have to do blow dry every time.
These are natural girls. They look so nice.
Yeah, it's natural.
I
Yeah,
need to
it's like
curl to curl my hair. I have this very straight hair. So, then what is that one director, your favorite director? Who's your favorite director?
see, I have seen like the recent many new directors. They are doing very nice work, and if you see now that more the films those are doing really well are the films which are of small budget than the
Huh.
big budgets.
Hmm.
So I want to work with mix. I had a great wish to work with Yashji and then Ritu
Oh,
Parno Ghosh, you know.
yeah, of
Ritu,
course. Who doesn't already
yeah,
for
I
of
really
course.
wanted to work with them. Then I also want to work with Aparna Sen ma'am. So these are the
Aparna.
directors I really want to work because they they kind of
You
movie they
also have this, when Aparna Sen was young, she had this beautiful look like yours, like that natural beauty.
yeah,
Somebody's
she's
asking, would
very
you
fit
like
and
to
she's
work with
very
Rajkumar
intellectual.
Hirani? An audience is asking, would you like to work with Rajkumar Hirani?
Of
I
course,
am
yeah, of
curious.
course I would love to work. I thought if he's really making film with Shah Rukh Khan, please मैं तो सोच रही थी मुझे ही ले ले heroine.
So my husband is asking, name one national or international personality that you want to portray for given a chance. It's only a
Uh,
Bengali can ask this question, by the way.
I would love to portray like if I get a chance and I would like to work on like I would like to be Indira Gandhi.
Uh,
If I
you'd
have to
like to
make a Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi. Oh, brilliant. That's going to be very interesting. She was one strong, powerful woman with a mind
Yes,
of her own. Yes, yes,
yes.
yes. And she knew how to rule. That's something I really
Exactly. That is
admire.
what I really appreciate. And she had some kind of
In
means I have
and of
read about
that
her so
era,
much.
in a man's world, the woman
Yeah.
ruled. You know,
Yes. And that too
that
in
is the
those
man.
years when like there means there was no stage for women.
True.
That time
And
means that time too like people used to literally dominate girls. But that
some
time she has ruled the country.
somebody is asking, say something about lockdown pause. Says Sunny Kumar. What is your opinion about lockdown? But Modi ji at 8 o'clock said he's announced a package also. There is my best friend Priyanka Sharma who says a hi to you.
Hi, Priyanka ji. Lockdown for is fine. I mean, like, unless the cases are not going down, even if it is like we are in home and doing everything, there are many people who are not following lockdown rules. So I would like request them if you guys don't follow and if the cases don't drop, then government don't have any other option than extending this lockdown because they cannot take chances with our lives. So
Yeah.
please be careful. Please be at home and follow the
Yeah.
lockdown rules so that we
So
can, like, say it.
somebody is asking me, what is your question about? Says Rishi. Somebody he's asking, what is your question? Please ask. I missed your question, guys. I'm not very tech savvy. I'm trying to be as tech savvy as I can, and I'm trying to take as many questions as I can. But people are mad about you. That is for sure, Payal, and they're enjoying this interview a lot. So
Thank
there
you
is one
for loving me. I love you guys too.
how sweet is that? How sweet. So there are a lot of people who've asked, there's this by the ID bombshells of Bollywood who said, hi, Payal to you. Payal, tell me something. Now we've discussed about food, we've discussed about, uh, somebody's asked, did you enjoy your FHM shoot? What is that FHM shoot? I'm not sure.
FHM is a magazine, and I did a shooting for them, and yeah, of course I enjoyed. Yeah, means of course they have brought something which I haven't done before, and they made
Oh,
me
how
looking
nice.
like a okay. So it was very fashionable shoot, so I enjoyed. Yeah,
Oh, and somebody has written in Bengali. Shubha,
that's
I can read that. Beyond that, I can't read Bangla. Somebody's asked, and everybody's writing, of course, you look so beautiful and so sexy, and of course, that you are. Tell me something, Payal, what is your fitness regime now when you're in the lockdown? Because after the lockdown, we all want to see that. I hope that you eat the waste doesn't go beyond. One of my friends, Neha, was there online and she's a renowned journalist, and her fitness thing was like you eat very carefully. What is that
Yes.
one fitness advice that you would like to give to your audience?
I would like to say that don't miss your workout. Right now, we cannot go to the gym or the park or something. So if you, and luckily I have a huge premise.
Okay.
My society is quite big, so I can take around, and I'm like walking like 9-10 kilometers every day, and
19? Are
nine
you
ten,
serious? 9, 10.
yeah, yeah, 9-10,
Wow.
9-10 kilometers every day, and and if when I
With the mask?
don't, yeah. I have to wear. You cannot go down without the mask. Police comes every evening and say that you have to wear the mask. Though it is within our compound, but still we have to wear the mask. And or else, and the day I don't feel like going down, that day I do Surya Namaskar. I can do 60-70 Surya Namaskar at a go.
Oh my God. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Okay, so this bombshells of Bollywood asked, Payal, what is the secret of that awesome figure? There you go. 60, 70 Surya Namaskars at one go. Oh my God. After 10, I feel I have a heart attack. 9, 10 kilometers. My God. This is something I will learn from you. And I take
Yeah.
it and I tell everybody, see, yoga and natural fitness, freehand
Yeah.
exercise, of course, is the key.
Yes.
And continuity,
Yeah.
परसिवियरेंस एंड उसको हमेशा ऐसे कायम रखना, उसको एक भी दिन छोड़ना नहीं है ना। और खाने में
हाँ.
क्या अवॉइड करते हैं आप कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स
खाना
ऑफ
तो
कोर्स?
I'm not able to follow diet that way because I cannot cook everything that my the chef used to cook for me. She used to cook everything from the morning till evening, whatever I eat. But now it is
Yeah.
not possible. So right now I'm like eating only rice, dal, chicken, whatever I'm making, like YouTube देख के बना रही हूँ, and eating those things only. But the normal regular foods I'm means eating, not like the way, because generally I don't eat anything after 6 o'clock. I only have one chicken or soup or one fish or soup like that. But now I cannot make so many things. So like I'm having normal diet. So that is the reason I'm doing more exercise.
More
So that
workout.
yeah, I'm burning out more calories so that whatever the calories I'm consuming it should not be over. Like I can balance it there.
Payal, we could go on talking and this would never end. But as they say,
Yes.
all good things should come to an end. And I look
Yeah.
forward to having you again very soon because this was
Absolutely.
very interesting. And people are saying you follow the intermittent fasting. Yes, Shruti ji, last time, request take my question. Please send your question. Are you just writing your question? I am not getting your question, says some audience. So, Payal, I will also have this show on YouTube and I will, of course, share this link with you. But it was an
Okay.
honor to have you over. And
My
more
pleasure. It
than
was
you being an
lovely
actress,
talking to you.
you are a much beautiful person. You are a much beautiful soul. And,
Thank you.
to the soul in you, I say namaste. Thank you so much. And
Namaste.
we'll have you over soon. And guys, please
Sure.
tune in at 9:30. I have Anup Jalota Sahab also with me. Try joining us, Payal. He would be happy.
Okay.